Hey, what up, family? How y'all doing? It's about springtime, so you know it's time to start growing things out. One thing I like to do to release stress or just have something to do because the prices of fruits and vegetables is going through the roof is I like to plant my own things, especially my own fruits, especially if I can get exotic fruits. Now, if you do plan on planting fruit trees, make sure that you find out if they're hardy to the zoning that you live in, because some fruit plants don't grow in certain weathers and certain temperatures. So always make sure that the tree is hardy to the zone that you live in. This right here that we have is a goji berry. Very beneficial, very medicinal, from the berries themselves to the leaves. I know I also planted some flowers, some hydrogenias, some cumin, and some mint leaves all over. Mint leaves just keep multiplying, and they'll just keep multiplying some more. The good thing about mint leaves is they help repel mosquitoes. This right here was Meyer lemon, but as you can see, it looked like it died on me over the winter. This right here is a navel orange, and this also died on me over the winter. Both of these were from Home Depot. These are the only plants in my whole yard that were from Home Depot, and both of these fruit trees look like they have died. I hope not. I hope they do survive, but that's what it's looking like. And as you can see, more mint leaves. Right here is Georgia peach. More than likely, I might switch this out and put it in a neighborhood garden for everyone. I'm still not decided where and when, but I will do that soon. And this right here is a dwarf peach tree. It's growing, as you can see, starting to flower. So soon it'll be fruiting. When you see this right here in your peach tree, it's telling you that it's injured, maybe in this location. It did get injured by me holding it up with this, but I had it up here at one time, even up here, but it's healing pretty well on its own and still growing, thank God. This right here is a peach tree. This was grown by my late father, God rest his soul. This produces so many pears. This is a nice pear tree. Had to build a swing on it. Sometimes I bother my aunt by keep growing things in her yard all the time, but she'll get over it once they start fruiting. This was my avocado tree. I'm not sure if it's still alive. It looked like it might have survived. Waiting for it to come in. Right here, we have an apricot tree that is huge. It's about 7 feet tall, and it's starting to just come in just now. You know, little flowers, I guess they might have died when it got a little colder, but they're literally just coming in. It's a beautiful plant. Very, very beneficial fruit. Provides a lot of antioxidants and a lot of other health benefits. I'm still trying to figure out a place where I'm gonna grow this big tree. More than likely back there. I just have to clean this yard up. It's just a lot harder when you have a bunch of nieces and nephews that come right after you and throw things everywhere. But after I set up this garden, I will update you with how it looks. Over here in this section, this is my my cactus fruit section. Now cactus fruit, they automatically grow by themselves. When these leaves hit the ground, they somehow will just start sprouting on their own. But this section right here, last year they did produce one fruit, and they produced these big red and purple pinkish beautiful fruits. Once you open the middle of them, it tastes so good. It tastes better than any kiwi you've ever had. You can eat the whole thing, the seed and everything. Just don't eat the outside covering layer. But other than that, these produce very good fruits. These are the spineless prickly pears, even though you see spines on them. They're very big, so that way they're not like the little ones where you can get caught at every minute you touch them or every part you touch them at. Now the cactus fruit, the spineless prickly pears, they are also hardy to zone 7. This right here is some kind of berry. I'm not really sure. Could be a red berry, could be a cranberry. This one right here is a yellow raspberry. I had signs on all these, but majority of them my nieces and nephews took off. This right here is a blackberry. I haven't grown this anywhere or planted this, or I'm still looking for a location. Maybe over here somewhere. I just had to clean this yard, like I said. This right here, we have blueberries starting to come in. And come along. Boom, another berry, maybe red berries. Get over here. These started dying on me, but those were mints. Right here, you got a pomegranate tree. Right here, you have, I think, a berry bush of red berries. Not really sure. And here you have another berry tree that's producing new life at the bottom, but looks pretty dead at the top. Over here is the second pomegranate tree, but I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it might have died on me. It could still be alive, but it doesn't look like this. See how this pomegranate tree has life. It has red leaves to it. This is the third pomegranate tree. So far, 2 out of the 3 survived. Thank God. Hopefully that third one survives as well. But so far, this garden is coming along well. This right here is a Fuya persimmon tree. It's coming along just fine. It survived the winter. And this big monster right here is Big Bertha. Now this is a big fig tree. Been growing this for a long time. My father planted this years ago, and she produces a lot of figs. I have to prune her down soon because she's starting to get out of control. But look at the beauty of it. Huge fig tree. Of course, I got flowers and hydrogenias and other things like that as well. But the main thing I like to plant are fruits. I like fruit bushes. Yeah, I gotta keep up with them. I gotta take care of them. I'm gonna have to come down here and spend the whole day on them. I love the way these pomegranates are coming in. One thing I do recommend, that if you do buy any fruit trees, it's just best to buy them when they're ready to fruit or close to fruit. So that way they're a lot easier to take care of, to manage, and at the same time you don't have to wait so long for them to start fruiting and producing edible fruit. So I will update you guys once I clean this garden all up, and once I have everything straightened out, and I can show you my final work. And hopefully I will update you guys when they start fruiting as well. But as you can see, I got a little bit of everything everywhere. Hopefully once this garden comes along, it'll be beautiful once everything starts growing and sprouting. Eventually this will be like a mini fruit farm right in my own backyard. Well, y'all have a blessed one. God bless everybody. And let me know if you do this as a hobby on the side. I will definitely update you guys, and I will get back to my regular YouTubing on how I used to make videos. It's just I was going through a lot. I had to catch up with some things. But thank God for another day, and thank God for blessing us all to be together and to be able to even have this moment to talk to each other and everything. If you have family, please love them, keep them close. I know family can do things sometimes that could irritate us and distance us from each other, but try to fix them things that's between y'all and try to get closer. Look how big this pear tree. This is ridiculous. I had to get all the way up there to get some pears. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to prune these trees a little bit better, but mass producer. But anyway, love y'all. God bless everybody. And peace until the next time. And hopefully I will update y'all with the way my garden looks after I'm done. And I will definitely get back to my regular YouTubing very soon.